So hello everybody, I found a little application where you can import and export your SysEx from your synthesizers or controller, all the devices that supports SysEx. And this is the website I found it. So it's called MIDI SysEx IO, a Windows Linux tool to load and save MIDI instrument settings via MIDI SysEx. And this is the application, and it describes how you can run it there, what the difference is in the download files, for example. And you can read all that. There's a command line usage and all of that, but the most nicest thing it has just a GUI where you can just say download or upload, save, and load. And that's it, what we all want. So this is the little application. You can find the download here on the right side on releases. I will put the link where you can find this tool and take your own download. Then it takes you to this page. And there is, for example, this general Linux something, then an setup for Linux, then the hash files for the Linux part, then the two Windows programs that you can download if you want to have a setup, like install, or just a program that you can just start. So, and what I did here was to just download the Linux version, make it executable, like here, click in here, executable, and then just start it. And this is how it starts. It reads all the devices that there are, not especially all devices that support SysEx. So if you have some devices, for example, the Arturia Minilab doesn't support SysEx sending. But my very old Novation controller, where is it? The remote audio. This still supports SysEx, and if I let me search for that. If I say dump the current template and then I start here receive, then it waits, and if I dump it now, it will receive some bytes or kilobytes, depending on that. So the controller says it has finished, and then I stop here, and then you can see directly the SysEx files that were sent from the controller, and you can save it here somewhere. I already saved it. For example, let's save it here, like I think that's this one. Save it. And then I can just open it again and send it back to the device and put the device in receiving mode. That's the little device, That's so simple, but sometimes you miss something like that and you don't want to deal with some command line stuff where you have to watch and research the internet, how it works again, how you do that and all that stuff. And the sweet part of this is it's available for Windows 2, not for Mac, but maybe someone's out there to create a version for Mac, or maybe there is a good version for Mac. So this is a very basic tool to manage all your SysEx needs, or some of your SysEx needs. So to receive and save, or to send to a device. That's it. My name is Sendaidokai, and I wish you all have a really nice day. See you soon again. Make the world a better place. Ciao, ciao.